In this part 2 of how to make visual notes, you'll learn how to use the photo layer. Now, most people find it difficult to draw nicely freehand, so if you just go down to the photo layer, then you can select from Google or even your own photos and find an image that works for what you want to use in your visual notes. So in this case, part of the visual notes can be done by hand. So I'm trying to show a little symbol of a hand and see how that would look with and alongside some of the notes. So I found this nice line drawing online, and I'm just erasing the first little sketch, and then I'm seeing how it's going to look alongside the text. So I'm just using the move tool to move it about a little bit. Just make sure you've got the right layer. Then you click the move tool and you can resize or you can twist it round. So this is how I think it might look right. So I'm going to go back to the draw layer and making sure that the photo layer is just a little bit transparent so I can see what I'm drawing. And just with a very simple thin brush tool, I'm just going to sketch the lines over the top. See, it's really very, very simple. And once you're happy with that, you get rid of the photo layer and then have a look and see how it looks. And in comparison, along with digital, I'm going to just put in a little picture of an iPad. Now obviously it's very easy to draw an iPad, so I'm just showing you the theory of this. Finding the right image and then just resizing it so that it fits in the right place. Once you've got it at the right size and in the right place, just by manoeuvring it about a little bit, then again make it a little transparent, and then again what I use is a pale colour, light grey, and just draw around the outline very simply. Then you can get rid of the photograph and again see how it looks, and then you can start adding whatever else you'd like to on your visual note. So in this case I want to talk about the traditional visual note takers. The guru of all sketchnoting is Mike Road, and he has several books on the subject, the Sketchnote Handbook, which are fantastic if you're first learning how to do visual notes. Another aspect of visual note taking is graphic facilitation, and Brandy Agerbach has a really good website and lots of resources online, as does UX Mastery and Eva Lotta Lam. And these are great names that you can look up and find out and be inspired by. Tricia Friedman is an English teacher now working in Switzerland, and she does visual notes on walls and on paper too. Now, in comparison to traditional digital visual note taking, I do on the iPad. And in this case, I'm just checking the pen size just to see that it fits and balances with the other one. So the first person that inspires me and works on an iPad is Brad Overnell Carter, and Rachel Smith was one of the first that inspired me. Also Sasha Chua. And that's part 2 of how to make visual notes.